Coiled tubing can break in the hole in one of two ways, compression or tension. Either way, the coiled tubing usually does not leave a slick fishneck to latch onto and retrieve. Shown here is a compression break. A special Baker Oil Tools fishing system frees and retrieves coiled tubing that has parted downhole in 2 or 3 runs. For the first run, a motor and flat-bottom junk mill are used to straighten the piece of parted coiled tubing. With the bent portions removed, the tubing will be easier to engage during the next phase of the operation. The second run incorporates Baker's unique snipper overshot and high-pressure pack-off tool. The overshot has a catch and cutting mechanism which washes over the top of the coiled tubing. The recommended amount of coiled tubing is engaged. This is typically the length of the riser minus the standard coiled tubing equipment to ensure well control when the BHA with the coiled tubing is removed from the riser. Overpull is applied to the snipper overshot to cut the tubing. Now the cut part of the coiled tubing can be pulled from the hole. In the occasional instance that the snipper overshot cannot retrieve the entire tubing string from the hole, a third BHA run incorporates a continuous tubing overshot and a high-pressure pack-off tool. With this BHA, it is possible to create a pressure seal between the parted coiled tubing and the high-pressure pack-off. With the seal in place, a ball can be dropped from surface to the disconnect to release the tubing from the BHA which was left in the hole. The work string is left in hole while the parted tubing is brought to surface. Another option is to attempt to free the fish through jarring as shown here.